All right, welcome back. Let's go through actually assembling this. First of all, the very first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make one of these parts fixed. As in, it doesn't move, everything else can move to snap onto it, but it stays in one location. So I'm going to do the chair seat, and I'm just going to do fix. So as we attach the rest of this stuff, our stuff, it goes on there. Oh, and from the previous video, I hit the X basically rather than OK. So let's say I wanted to go to this part and I wanted to edit in context and change its color too, or all of them. No, it's not going to let me do all at once. All right, well, whatever. I'll do part one. Edit appearance. Go here. Hit OK. Oh, good, because that was the first one. The others are all circular patterns. All right, create a version and go to assembly is what you need to click. And then, oh, it's weird. Okay, fair enough. It showed all of them changing, but apparently that's not what happened here. All right, but let's fix a chair leg. Let's do a fasten mate. It's one of the basic ones. There's a make connector and a fasten mate. Those are two of the more common ones. What you're gonna do is you are going to find where you want to connect it. And I want to connect it right here along this edge. And I want to connect that to this edge here. Oh, come on. I'm going to do the corner. All right. Come on. Let's go. There's the corner. And we hit OK. Oh, something went wrong here. Oh, it looks like I did a face rather than a corner. We can edit, and we can just try to flip the primary axis, but that's not going to help. Can reorient the second axis. See if that helps. Oh, good. And so that is now fixed. And I'm looking here and the leg is going through the table. And I say, that shouldn't happen. And it's not letting me move it because I fixed it. So there's a couple things we can do. We can do an offset. Come on. Offset in Z. Make sure that is Z. Yeah, Z. Let's go 0.5. 1. Brings us below, but I'm still not lined up there. 1.5. There we go. And now I got to do this 3 more times. So again, I'm going to do fasten mate. Going to select from there. Oh, okay, good. You did select. I'll select another of my legs. There, and I'll hit OK. And I'll go look to make sure everything went fine. Now, this one doesn't appear to be going through the top because I selected it a little bit better, but it is attaching inside the lip. So let's go. Let's close out 3 because it just opened up a new one. Let's go rotate this. There we go. Oh. And look, and oh no, it is also a little off. So let's just do an offset here. In Z, let's do negative 0.5. Negative 0.75. I can't remember how big I made that lip. Yeah, 0.75. Which makes sense. That's how big the lips that I made for cabinetry and work was. And you just go and attach everything. You go through. Now this was made with a whole bunch of different parts, which is going to be inconvenient. Each one of those would need to be attached on. The legs would need to be attached on. And when you're done, nothing should be able to move because everything should be fixed. When you turn this in, you're going to do this a different way. You're going to do share with link sharing, and you're going to give me a link to this thing so that I can look at it in its assembled form. So you're going to turn in a link to Classroom. All right. I think that's pretty much it. Let's stop the recording.